Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, Ramadan Karim. This is Christine on Immaculate Show once again today in your space. Thank you very much for making us. We love you so much. So today I'm bringing for you this app that is very common, that most of us, we have it on our mobiles, most of us, we have it on our laptops, on our tablets, but there are very few people who are earning and reaping thousands and millions of dollars from it. It's not because we don't know that people don't know that there is money in this app, but it's because some of us we don't really agree with it. We don't feel it is real. We think it is not real. So today I'll be bringing for you this app that I know is accessible to you, and I'm very sure that if by the end of this video, the moment you finish watching it and you put it into practice, you are going to earn from this app. This app is very common. You have it. Even the under 18s, they have it. When you grow up like this, you find it is there. I grew up and I found it there. You grew up and found it there. This app is Facebook. The Facebook app is one of the apps that has made a number of individuals very rich. Some individuals have decided to take Facebook as their full-time job, and some of them have also taken it as a part-time job. But what about you? Do you know that you can earn a living? Do you know you can earn $1 million from this app? Yes, I know some of you know, and some of you don't know. So how do you earn from this app? There are very many different ways of earning from this Boo app. We call it Meta these days. However much that these days, a lot of people have known that it has millions of dollars, but also many of us have not yet known how to earn from this app. So today, I'm bringing it to your attention that just sit, relax, and let's discuss on how you can earn money from this Boo app. I mean Meta. Facebook is an app that you can find both on Android and on iPhone. It has been rated the highest, by the way. Even if we don't talk about it, Facebook is whereby most individuals and companies have used to sell their items, to make money, to sell their services. Others have gone ahead to turn content into a profession, a full-time profession. So the next question I know you're going to ask is like, Christine, it's true, yes, we've had people earning a lot of money from it. I'll bring examples that have been earning money from it that you know. I don't want to bring other examples that are very far from my audience. We bring the example of Kola Obidi, we bring example of Angel Usu, we bring example of Nas Gori, and very many more examples. Are you in Nigeria? Do you know a person called Mubala? That guy has earned a lot of money. We talk about blessings and decor. All these people are depending on social media, and in particular Facebook. So how do you really earn from this app? There are very many different ways to earn from this app, but today I'm going to be letting you know about one method, one way of earning from this app, because if we go and talk about all of them, we'll make it even until tomorrow. So there are like 5 different ways of earning from this app, but I'm going to be bringing you one method, and this one method is by using your short videos, and it is called in-stream ads. So on this one, before we go deep to the in-stream ads, I'm going to tell you what you need to know, or how you need to start your Facebook. Your Facebook, for you to be monetized, you need to make sure that you have a page. A page is whereby you have followers, not friends. I know I'm taking you deep. Then if you're in a profile, you have to turn it into a professional mode. When we come to here on Facebook, I'll give you a highlight of how many we have, like 6 to 7 ways of earning from app, putting others constant. Today, if we look at in-stream ads, for you to start eligible or to start earning from in-stream ads, you have to make sure that you are either having a page or you're having a profession mode from a profile, and you have to make sure that you have followers who are reaching 5,000 followers. The moment you reach 5,000 followers, that is a big step for you to start earning from Facebook. So with in-stream ads, it has like 4 to 5. It has like 4 major to 5 requirements for you to start earning on Facebook. 1, you have to have 5,000 followers. 2, you have to make sure that you are living in a eligible country. And when we talk about eligible country, all of us were eligible, but there are some countries that Meta has not yet started giving that chance of earning. Countries like Uganda, countries like Nigeria, and many more. If you want to know these countries, you can go and go to your back end, your backstage. When you go to your dashboard, you'll read and click on the eligible countries. You'll find the list of countries that are eligible. If yours is not there, don't also rush to run away from Facebook or to give it up. We have other ways that you can start earning even when you're in an eligible country. That one will come in another video to come. So the moment you know that you're in an eligible country, or you get an administrator from another country who can be who can make you be eligible. The third one, you are supposed to make sure that you work towards getting required minutes. You work towards getting required hours. So what are these minutes? The minutes have to be 60,000 minutes from both watch videos and live. When we talk about both from watch videos, uploaded videos, and live, here we mean the live you make every day. I remember we also telling you about, there is a clip that we put that you need to be going live every time. When you go live, when you upload your video, it counts these watch hours. So that one is it is another requirement. Then another requirement, it is so beautiful and it is so good that everybody has always met this requirement. You have to have a certain number of videos that are uploaded on your page or on your profile. So we talk about these uploaded videos. You can see in a screenshot, you have to make sure that you have more than 5 videos that are active on your profile or on your page. So talking about the profile and the page, I'll go and I give you more small highlight on the minutes, watch minutes. This watch minutes is not like any other app like YouTube and the the TikTok. This one, it has a time limit. You have to make sure that these 60,000 watch minutes are within the 60 days. When we talk about the 60 days, it means if the Meta is reading for you, it reads from, for example, we are in March, it is going to read 60 days from now up to the certain period of time. It is not going to combine, maybe like there was 60 behind, another 60 behind. It have the days, they have to be following each other. Hope you get that. Then, having said all the ways, the requirements for you to start earning, I'm sure you're going to say, Christine, how do I get this money from this Bro app? The money is got through your bank or through PayPal. The recommended one is through your bank. When you reach that period of you being eligible, when you've reached the requirements of all these ones, the sets I've told you, they are going to send for you a setup. For you to start, you have to set up. So it means you are going to put your details, your account details, and very many others. You are going to follow the prompts and fill in. Me, I've been earning from my account, but there are some people who earn from PayPal. So does it sound good? Have you been there and say, yes, I want to get an extra income, or I want to leave a 9 to 12 job? Yes, this is your time now. You can go and invest your time, invest your energy, invest your focus, and invest your passion. This has been good meeting you today. I know you've gotten something, like me also I've gotten something. If you know you like this video, go down and click on the subscription button. Don't forget to like, don't forget put a thumbs up, and even subscribe. You can share it with your friends and families. So having said this, you people, catch you up in the next episode of how to earn money using live videos and others. Thank you very much.